Hi, I'm Mark from Volkswagen Van Centre Birmingham. Here we have for you a Grand California. It's a long wheelbase, it's a 680. It's also fitted with a 177 PS 2 litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has an automatic gearbox. This California is a used 20 plate. It's also an approved vehicle that has had its 141 mechanical, electrical and visual checks to ensure the health of the vehicle, carried out by one of our expert technicians. Now for a quick look around the California. To the front, you will notice halogen daytime running headlights. In the lower part of the bumper, you will notice front fog lights and front parking sensors. In the top part of the grille, you will notice a nice chrome strip. It's also fitted with front assist with city emergency braking. This is designed not only to warn you against a potential crash, but this system will also assist by braking to avoid a potential collision. Moving around the California again, you will notice that it's fitted with 17-inch alloy wheels. All the wheels are in superb condition. Moving up to the mirrors on this California are heated and power folding. This is ideal for winter months and parking the van on a busy road. On both sides of the Grand, you will notice side light markers. This is ideal for dark nights. Moving the camera up, you will notice two rear windows. You'll also notice to this side of the California, it has the electric hookup point. At the back of the California, you will notice it's fitted with 180-degree doors. Across the rear bumper, you will also notice rear parking sensors. This California is also fitted with a fixed tow bar. You'll also notice the VW badging on the rear doors and two rear windows. Moving into the sleeping area, you will notice there's plenty of space underneath the bed. Here we have the shower unit. On both sides you will notice some handy cupboards. You'll also notice some more handy storage compartments in the roof. Here's the awning bar. On the rear doors you will notice some handy storage compartments to hold the picnic table and two deck chairs. This Grand is painted in candy white and deep ocean blue. Here we have the awning at the top of the California. Moving down, it's fitted with a electric folding step. Now for another look towards the back of the Grand. As we walk into the back of the California, you walk past the fridge. Moving into the back of the Grand, you will notice a large double bed for two people. Walking back, here we have the shower unit. It also has a sink and a toilet. It also has some handy storage compartments there. Moving back, you will notice the double hob and sink. Moving the camera around, here we have the control panel for your camping needs. As we move back, you will notice two comfortable seats. You'll also notice a table. The two front seats also swivel around so the driver and passenger can eat and entertain. To the front of the cab, you will notice a leather-wrapped steering wheel with multifunctional switches on both sides. Both doors come with some handy storage, as you can see. Moving across the dash, you will notice some cup holders and some more handy storage. Moving to the back of the California, you will notice four comfortable seats in valley cloth. You'll also notice the driver and passenger seats come with armrests for added comfort on long journeys. I have now finished my 360 walk around the California. For my next part of the video, I'd like to show you the controls inside the interior cab and also some key features on the media screen. I've now turned the California on so you can see the control panel working. I am now sitting in the driver's comfortable seat. To the right of me you will notice mirror, electric window controls. Down here you will see the headlight switch. On this side of the steering wheel you will notice media controls. To this side of the steering wheel you will notice cruise control. This vehicle has covered 5,771 miles. Using the switches on this side of the steering wheel, you can see that you can change settings on the instrument cluster. I'm now going back into the audio settings so you can see that you can change the radio stations if needed. To the centre of the dash you will notice a large size media screen with satellite navigation. As you can see, it's easy to use, just pinch your fingers across the screen. You can also move the map across so you can find your ideal location. This system is also fitted with traffic news. This will tell you of any incidents en route. This system is also fitted with Bluetooth connectivity, so you can use your mobile phone hands-free. If I press the radio button, you will notice that this system is fitted with the 3 major radio frequencies, including DAB. If I pop the vehicle into reverse, you will notice that this system is fitted with Park Pilot technology for your front and rear parking sensors. This will warn you of any obstructions when parking. Moving away from the media screen, you will notice the heater controls. This California is fitted with air conditioning for hot summer days. Here's the temperature control switch. It's also fitted with a 6-speed fan motor. Here's where you can change the direction of the heat if needed. If you press this button down here, it will charge your camping batteries up whilst the engine is running. The second switch is the heated steering wheel switch, so you can keep your hands warm on the cold winter mornings. And here we have the automatic gear stick. Now for a quick recap over my video. This is a Grand California. It's a long wheelbase. It's a 680. It's fitted with a 177 PS 2-litre turbo diesel engine, and it also has an automatic gearbox. This California is also a 2-berth. If you would like any more information on this used approved 20 plate California, please call 0121 514 0632 and a member of our sales team will be happy to help you with your inquiries. They'll also be able to make you a live video. This is a more personal and detailed video walk around the van. You could also ask the salesperson to book a test drive. You could also talk about the flexible finance options if needed. And thank you for watching.